Hi everyone, I'm here today to explain the Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2016 May-June Paper 22 document production part. So before document production part, we have to prepare our evidence document with our name, center number, candidate number on every page, and then we need to save it as with our candidate number. So we'll open the folder here, and then we'll open the evidence file, then insert a header or a footer in which we will enter the details just like the name, then center number, and then candidate number. Then close this one, file, save this one as, just click on browse, and then enter your candidate number here, and then we'll save into the same folder as a Word document. Click on save. Once it is saved, now we'll move to the next step, that is task 2, which is document part. You are going to edit a report for Tawara Yacht brokers. So the company uses a corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph styles should be created and applied as instructed. So the imported data should have the TYB body text style applied unless otherwise instructed. So you need to open the file first of all, and that is J226 super. So we'll open this file here, and then you should set the page setup to A4 page size, orientation landscape. So layout, paper, landscape, and page size is A4. And next is top and bottom margin 1.5, left right 2 centimeter. So you need to click here on page setup. So left and right is 2, top and bottom is 1.5 here as well. Then just click on OK, and next step is to take screenshot to show the page size. Place this in your evidence document. So we'll click here and get a print screen of this one, and we'll paste it in our evidence document as a proof of our page size. So then we just need to crop it so that only that specific point is visible, just like that. And next is to take evidence, show the page margins setting as well. So you need to open this file, page margin setting, print screen, and then just paste it into your evidence document. So here it is, and then we will just crop again just to show only this information, or you can even just crop the orientation as well. Right, after that, save the document in your work area with the file name brokers, and make sure it is saved in the format of your software you are using. So we'll just click here, file, save as, browse, and we'll name it broker as a Word document, and then just click on save. When you click on save, it will start saving this document, and then what you need to do is place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of the file type. So when you just finalize with the save as, then you just need to go to your folder to show the file name broker with the file type. The file is saved as a broker. When you go to your folder now, you will get a file here, broker. So just double click here to show the data type of the file type, and print screen, and then just go to your evidence document and save this one here with the file type. So you just need to crop the file just like that, so the folder name and the file name with the type is clearly visible. Fine. Next step is that place in the header the automated file name and path right align. So we will just choose here the header, insert a header. On right side we need the file name and path. So we'll click on quick parts here, field, then file name, and then just click add path to it. Click on OK, and then we remove this one. We don't need this one as well. So if you have a look here, that is here now on the right side, you can just adjust it like that. And then next step is that automated page number left align, your name, center number, candidate number right align in the footer. So we need to insert a footer now. On the left side we need the page number, so you need to go to page number, current position and plain number, and then on the right side we need to type our name, center number and candidate number, and then if there is anything else we need to remove that. Save and close the header now. So the information they mentioned we already include in the header footer. Now you need to check if there is anything else included in the header footer. You need to delete that. All the alignment must match the page margins and no other text is included. So that is done. Now step number 4 is to create the following house style specifications. So first number is the TYB title. We need to create style now. So we'll click here, then create, and then we'll name it TYB title. Modify it. This one must be sans serif with 36 point. Sans serif best example is Arial, and then 36 point. And next is right align, bold and italic. So right align, bold and italic as well. And then there is no line spacing, single and before and after it is 0 as well. So we just click on paragraph to cross check. Yeah, it is right, 0, single line spacing. Click on OK. Okay, done. Now one more style, as they mentioned the name, subtitle. Now we need to modify this one to sans serif 18 point. Sans serif Arial 18 point. This one must be center left align and underline as well, as they mentioned, and before and after spacing is 0 again. So format, paragraph, the other things are 0 and single line spacing. Click on OK. OK, style is created. Now TYB subheading style. So we'll just click here to get one more style. Modify. This one must be sans serif with 16 point this time. Sans serif 16. Center align, and then they said all capital and bold. So bold, no italic, format, font and all capital. Click on OK. Next step is single and 12 after spacing. Format, paragraph, after spacing is 12, single line spacing and before is 0. Just click on OK. Click on OK, and now move to next style is TY body. So we'll create one more style here with the TY body name. Modify it now. It must be 12 and justified, but a serif font, so Times New Roman is an example, and then it must be justified, they said. So format, paragraph, justified. Click on OK. No enhancement, no bold, no italic, and after spacing is 12. So format, paragraph, after spacing is 12. Click on OK, and then click on OK again. The last style is TYB table. So here create a style with the TYB table. Now this one must be again serif with the 12 point size, and then left align, and there is no other thing like no enhancement, single line spacing before and after is 0 as well. So here we just need to remove this one 0 and click on OK, and then just click on OK as well. Now step next is the evidence. You need to have the evidence of your style called TYB subheading. So TYB subheading, right click, modify, print screen, click on OK, and then just paste it into your evidence document, the style of TYB. Format just like that, so that we don't have the other part of the picture as well. You can just make it a little bit bigger like that. And next step is to move forward. At the start of the document you need to enter a title, Tawara Yard Brokers, and then you need to apply TYB title style to it. So here, and then you just select this one, title style is applied. Next, below the title add a subtitle, draft reported by, and then add your name. So just here and then your name. And next step is to apply TYB subtitle style to it. Select this one and subtitle style is applied. Sorry, we need to select this one and apply title to it, and this one is subtitle now. Next step is that you need to move to apply the TYB body style to the rest of the document. So this point onward we will apply the TYB body style. Okay, now this one, if you have a look here, this one is applied with the TYB title, and this one we applied, and just get back to normal. Yeah, one thing that I have missed here, just you need to go to modify here, format, font, and uncheck this all caps. Now it seems that everything is alright. Select this one till the end, and then we'll apply the TY body style to it. Next step is to change the page layout so that the text after the first paragraph is displayed in 2 columns with the equal width of 2 cm space between them. So from this point till the end, we just click on layout, columns, more columns, in 2 columns, and then a 2 cm space between them. That's it. And then what we need to do is identify the 6 subheading in the document and apply the TYB subheading style to each one. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then home will apply TYB subheading they mention here. Yes, just like that. And then using the data in the table J22 6 sales.csv, create an appropriate chart to compare the sales of yacht for the year 2014, 15 and 2013. So we'll open this file, sales, and we need to produce an appropriate chart for create an appropriate chart to compare the sale of yacht. So here we just need to click, and then we just select this 3 columns only, we have nothing to do with the 2012. Then click on insert, and a bar graph I'm going to create just like that, and then label the chart with the title comparison of super yacht sales. So we will just type here super yacht sail and then include an appropriate label and a legend as well. So layout I'm changing to this one, and then here I'm just going to mention, for example, that is the length and that's the that was the length, and here that length of each yacht. And then after we need to modify this one as well to just get here the year 2015 and then 2014 and 13 as well. So right click and then here select data. So this one you need to edit to choose 2015, and then this one edit to 2014 and this one edit to 2013. That's it. And then next step is to insert the chart on the page 1 after the paragraph ending over the past 3 years. So now we just need to copy the chart and go to the main page and past 3 years just here and then click on paste. The chart is placed here, and the next step is that make sure the chart fit within the width of the column and all data and label is displayed in full. So all the data and labels are fully displayed here on the first page. You can just, even if you want to make it smaller, you can just do something about the chart to make it smaller as well. So this is how it will look like, and then after explain why you choose this type of graph. So compare at least one other chart type. So you can just type your evaluation here about why you have chosen this chart and why it is important, or how you can like any other chart type you can also evaluate as well, or just compare here. So why I have chosen this one, because I am going to compare the values by using the bar, so it will be easy to identify each length and the detail for each you can say yacht or length. So here I'm just going to type my evaluation. Yeah, so here in the evidence document, so I'm just going to type here that comparative bar chart most suitable as 3 data series to compare 2014, 15 and 13, and then after visually easy to compare differences, line graph not suitable as not continuously variable data, and then pie chart not suitable as shows data as percentage of a whole, can't compare as on one data series. Stat bar chart cumulative data, not comparative, not comparative data. Yes, just correct it. Can't, we just remove the spelling mistakes here, and then after not direct comparison, just like that. So that's all from this evaluation part. Now next step is that on the file J226 orders.csv and insert the content as a table within the column width after the text yard on their order book. So we need to open one more file here, and that is called orders. This is the one. Yeah, so we need to enter this data. So we'll get this data from here, just like that. Yeah, and then we'll copy, we'll just paste it under the paragraph yard on their order book. Yeah, it is here. So the data is inserted as a table, and then after they said enter the insert a new row at the end of the table. So we'll just come here and right click, insert a row below, and then we'll enter the data, and that is China, and then it is 900, and that is 26. Next step is sort the data in table so that the length in meter column is displayed in descending order. Length in meter, you just click here and then right click, and we'll arrange the data into descending order. So just click here and then choose from here descending, just like that. And next step is step number 19, format the first row of the table to be bold and italic. Only first row, first row, yeah. So we'll just select this one, we'll make this one bold, italic, and then after center a line over the 3 columns. So we just select this one. Like for example, if we just click here and get the border first of all. So let's see how they look like. Yeah. Now select this one, right click and merge cells. Next step is shaded with a light gray 20 to 40%. So go to shading here, 20 to 40, so you can get 25 as well. And this one must be center align. And next step is make sure that the TYB table style is applied to row 2 to 12. So row 2 till 12, and then TY table style. And next step is that text in each cell does not wrap here. So we just try to manage this one just like that. Yes, we'll try to fix this one. We don't need the text to be wrapped here. Yes, and then after all the grid lines are displayed when it is printed. So it is, and what else we need to do is now we just need to move forward towards the next step, which is about arranging the other stuff as well. So as you can see, my table, still these 2 columns are not fixed, so I'm going to fix them first. Yes, yeah, just make this one little smaller. Yes, so now the data is properly arranged. Now import the image, that is G226 yard, and place this below the subheading charters. So we'll just move here, just here, then click on insert a picture, desktop, we'll go to the file here and yard. When you insert the image, now this image need to be reflected so that the image points to the left. So now you need to change the or reflect the picture here by right clicking, then after picture format, 3D rotation and 180° on x-axis, just like that. And then next step is to resize the image to 6 cm wide only. So we change this one to 6 cm, and next step is to maintain the aspect ratio. Align the image to top of the paragraph starting at Tawara yard charter, left margin within the column width. So we'll do that by text wrap here to square, and then after we are going to fix this towards the left and top of the paragraph, and then after make sure the text wrap around the image so it may look like this. So yes, it look like that now. And the next step is to spell check and proofread the document. So we'll just click on F7 here. So we ignore this one. Yeah, that is feed shift, so you can just change this one to head shift. Or not Tamara, that is we just ignore this one, Tawara, and then meter, yeah, just change it. Yeah, it's okay. Mega yard, just change this one. Meters, giga, just ignore meters, and then that's it. Change for all, that's all, and click on OK. Spell check is done. Now you need to check that the table and the chart is not split into two columns. There is no video orphan, there is no blank pages, spacing consistent. Just need to cross check everything. So yes, everything is accurately done. So you just need to print this document now here. One thing that we are in the problem here, as you can see, this paragraph is not properly apply the TY body style to it. When you click, see, it is now it is applied. Before that it was not applied. Now this one is a little bit you can say looking, yeah, we just need to go to our body style first, modify, and this one should be 12 pt. Click OK. We'll select one by one paragraph to check again that if everything is accurately done here. Yeah, see, the things are still need to be corrected, just like that. In each and every point you just keep on checking the data. If something is wrong that you realize, so you should correct it immediately at the same time. Yes, we'll check the data. Like what I have observed, that the text size was very small and it was supposed to be 12 point, which was not the case. So this is what I have observed, and now I'm correcting this all to 12 point font size. Yes, now the data looks accurate. Now you just make this one little bit smaller so that it adjusts the length and height. Yeah, this one, now you make this one as well. Body style is applied. So that's all from the document part of this question paper. So hope you have learned how to deal with the document. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.